Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of freelance writing and uncovering 5 high-paying niches that you should definitely consider. Now you might be thinking, Graham, freelance writing, is that really a viable career path in 2023 and beyond? And my answer is a resounding yes. With so many businesses moving online and needing compelling content, the demand for skilled freelance writers is higher than ever. And the best part? You can do this from anywhere in the world with just a laptop and an internet connection. So, whether you're a seasoned writer looking to go freelance or just starting out, this video is for you. Let's get started. First up, we have copywriting. In a nutshell, copywriting is all about writing persuasive words that sell. Think website copy, product descriptions, sales pages. It's about grabbing attention and getting people to take action. Every business needs to sell, right? And they need compelling copy to do it. That's where you come in. Strong writing skills and understanding consumer psychology are key. You need to get inside the head of your target audience. What are their pain points? What are their aspirations? Craft copy that speaks directly to them. And the earning potential, it's good. Experienced copywriters can command high rates. Next up, we have technical writing, which is all about making complex information easy to understand. Think user manuals, how-to guides, software documentation, that sort of thing. Now, you might not think of technical writing as particularly glamorous, but let me tell you, it's a highly sought-after skill. In our increasingly tech-driven world, businesses need skilled writers who can break down complex concepts and make them accessible to a wider audience. To be a successful technical writer, you need excellent writing skills, of course, but also a strong understanding of the subject matter you're writing about. You need to be able to take complex information and distill it down into clear, concise, and easy to understand language. And the earning potential? Well, it's definitely up there. Experienced technical writers can make upwards of 75,000, 100,000, even 150,000 or more per year. Let's talk about SEO writing, crafting content that ranks high in search engine results pages, or CRPs. Think blog posts, articles, website content, anything to attract organic traffic from search engines like Google. If your website isn't on Google's first page, you're missing out on potential customers. Successful SEO writers understand search engines, keywords, and how to use them effectively. They write engaging, informative content people want to read. The earning potential? Very lucrative. Experienced SEO writers can charge $50 to $200 or more per hour. Moving on to grant writing, which is all about securing funding for projects and initiatives. Non-profits, research institutions, even businesses rely on grant writers to help them secure the financial resources they need to operate. Now, grant writing can be a bit more specialized than some of the other niches we've covered, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You're essentially helping organizations make a real difference in the world. To be a successful grant writer, you need strong research skills, a knack for persuasive writing, and a deep understanding of the grant-making process. You need to be able to craft compelling proposals that clearly articulate the need for funding and demonstrate the impact that the project will have. And the earning potential? Well, it's not bad at all. Experienced grant writers can make upwards of $70,000, $80,000, even $100,000 or more per year. Finally, let's talk about ghostwriting, which is all about writing content that's credited to someone else. Think books, articles, speeches, even social media posts. Ghostwriters are the silent partners behind countless successful authors, entrepreneurs, and thought leaders. Now, ghostwriting is all about being able to adapt your writing style to different voices and perspectives. You need to be able to step into someone else's shoes and write as if you were them. To be a successful ghostwriter, you need exceptional writing skills, a knack for research, and the ability to meet deadlines consistently. You also need to be comfortable with the idea that your name won't be on the final product, and the earning potential, well, it can vary depending on the project, but experienced ghostwriters can command rates of $50, $100, even $200 or more per hour. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which writing niche you're most interested in. Remember, The demand for skilled freelance writers is only going to continue to grow in the years to come. So, if you're passionate about writing and looking for a flexible and potentially lucrative career path, freelance writing might just be the perfect fit for you. See you next time.